Why choose aluminum for CNC machining? Aluminum is one of the most widely used metals in CNC machining, and for good reason. It offers a range of benefits. Excellent machinability. Aluminum is easy to machine, allowing for faster production and reduced tooling costs. Strength and durability. Aluminum has a high strength-to-weight ratio, making it ideal for parts that need to be lightweight, but still strong and durable. Corrosion resistance. Aluminum is naturally resistant to corrosion, making it perfect for parts that will be exposed to harsh environments or outdoor conditions. Cost-effective. Aluminum is one of the more affordable materials for CNC machining, making it an excellent choice for both prototypes and low-volume production runs. These qualities make aluminum the perfect material for industries like automotive, aerospace, electronics, and medical. Material selection for aluminum CNC machining. Aluminum comes in various grades, each with its own unique properties suited for different applications. At Yijin Hardware, we offer several common aluminum alloys, including 661 aluminum, known for its excellent corrosion resistance and good mechanical properties, often used in aerospace, marine, and automotive applications. 7075 aluminum, a high-strength alloy often used in aerospace and military applications. 5052 aluminum, a marine-grade aluminum known for its high corrosion resistance, making it perfect for marine and outdoor applications. 2011 aluminum, a free machining alloy that is ideal for parts that need to be machined with high precision and tight tolerances. Choosing the right aluminum grade is crucial for the success of your project. Our expert team can help you select the perfect grade based on your material, strength, and durability requirements. Fast and efficient machining for prototypes and production runs. Whether you need a single prototype or a low-volume production run, Yijin Hardware can handle it all. We understand the need for rapid prototyping to test out your designs before committing to large-scale production. CNC machining allows us to create highly detailed prototypes with tight tolerances in a fraction of the time. Low-volume production. Our CNC machining capabilities can scale to meet low-volume production requirements, offering you high-quality parts at an affordable price without the need for expensive molds or tooling. If you're looking for precision-machined aluminum parts, Yijin Hardware is here to help. We specialize in high-quality CNC machining for aluminum with quick turnaround times and customized solutions for every need. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more videos on CNC machining and other manufacturing technologies.